Hi, I'm Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 5. I study in BCM Shastri Nagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I am going to tell you about Mughal Empire. Oh, I forgot that today I am going to add a video for Intellithon. So here I go. So firstly, I'll tell you my abbreviation for Mughal Empire. Bhaj Sa. Sounds funny, na? But it's a short form as nowadays history is so difficult, so I've made a short form to remember the Mughal Empire. So B stands for Babur, H for Humayun, A for Akbar, J for Jahangir, S for Shah Jahan, A for Aurangzeb, and B for Bahadur Shah Zafar, which combine and make Bhaj Sa. So firstly, I'll tell you about Babur, the first Mughal king. Babur was the eldest son of Umar Sheikh Mirza, governor of Farghana and great-grandson of Timur the Great. He ascended the throne of Farghana in its capital, Kent, in 1494 at age of 12 and faced rebellion. He ruled for 1526 to 1530. Humayun, decision of Babur to divide the territories of his empire between two of his sons was unusual in India, although it had been a common Central Asian practice since the time of Genghis Khan. Unlike most monarchies, which practiced primogeniture, the Timurids followed the example of Genghis and didn't leave an entire kingdom to the eldest son. His period of rule was 1530 to 1540, 1555 to 1556. Akbar the Great. We know many stories about him, but now I am going to tell you his greatness. Akbar's reign significantly influenced the course of Indian history. During his rule, the Mughal Empire tripled in size and wealth. He created a powerful military system and instituted effective political and social reforms by abolishing the sectarian tax on non-Muslims and appointing them to the high civil and military posts. He was the first Mughal ruler to win the trust of loyalty of the native subjects. He had Sanskrit literature translated, participated in native festivals, realizing that a stable empire depended on the cooperation and goodwill of his subjects. Thus, the foundations for a multicultural empire under Mughal rule were laid during his reign. Akbar was succeeded as emperor by his son Prince Salim, later known as Jahangir. Period of rule is 1556 to 1605. Jahangir. Prince Salim, known as Jahangir, was born on 31st August 1569 in Fatehpur Sikri to Akbar and Jodha Bhai. Akbar's previous children had died in infancy and he had sought the help of holy men to produce a son. His period of rule was 1605 to 1600 27. Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan was widely considered to be the most competent of Emperor Jahangir's four sons, and after Jahangir's death in late 1627, when uh, when a war succession ensued, Shah Jahan emerged victorious. He put, he put to death of all of his rivals for the throne and crowned himself emperor in January 1628 in Agra in Agra under the regnal of Shah Jahan. Although an able military commander, Shah Jahan is perhaps remembered for his architectural achievements. The period of his reign is widely considered to be the golden age of Mughal architecture. Shah Jahan, Shah Jahan commissioned many monuments, the best known which is the Taj Mahal in Agra, which entombs his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. His period of rule was 1628 to 1658. Aurangzeb was born on 3 November 1618 in Dahod, Gujarat. He was the third son and the sixth child of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal. In June 1626, after an unsuccessful rebellion by his father Aurangzeb and his brother Dara Shah were kept as hostages under the grandparents. His period of rule was 1678 to 1707. Bahadur Shah Zafar. The Maratha Empire had brought an end to the Mughal Empire in the decade in the 18th century, and the regions of India under Mughal rule had either been absorbed by the Marathas or declared independence and turned into smaller kingdoms. His period of rule was 1837 to 1857. I hope you liked my I hope you liked my presentation. So that's all from my side. Chenwe Jagga signing off. Bye.